Hey guys, this is Gopal Tiwari and today I'm going to show you how to set up Kafka and Zookeeper on Windows environment without using Cygwin or any third-party emulator. So before we start, we have to download 4 files: Zookeeper, Kafka zip, JRE server edition and 7-zip. So first of all, we'll install 7-zip. Just double click on the downloaded file. Click install, finish. Now double click on your downloaded Kafka zip file and click on second radio box to choose a list from installed programs. Click OK. Now go to browse, go to C drive, program files x86, go to 7-zip, use 7-zip file manager, click open, click OK. Now double click on this file. Now click on extract. I'm extracting it to my desktop. Click OK. Now double click on your Zookeeper and repeat the same procedure. Again, I'm extracting to my desktop. Okay, so now we are going to install JRE server edition. Choose change destination folder to change your destination folder to any place or any path without any spaces in the path, because sometimes it creates problems if you have spaces in your path. Click install, change, go to your C drive, create a new folder Java. Inside Java folder, create a new folder according to your JRE version. Just click OK and we are done. Meanwhile, we will set up the environment variable for Windows. Just go to your start menu, click control panel, change the view by to large icons, go to system, okay, just go to advanced system settings, go to environment variables, click create a new user variable. Java is done. Type Java_home and give it the path where you installed your JRE. So for me it's C drive Java JRE version. We'll paste it here and done. Now go to system variables, find path, edit it. At the end of the variable values text box, write %Java_home %/bin. Okay, a bunch of OKs. Go to your C drive and now we'll check whether Java is configured properly or not. To check it, just open a command prompt and we'll type Java-version. It should show us the currently installed version, Java-version. Okay, fine. It is showing us our installed JRE version. Now just cut your Kafka and Zookeeper folders from desktop to C drive so that we will have short paths in our command prompt. You can unzip your Kafka and Zookeeper in any location, in D drive, in E drive, in any folder. It is absolutely fine. Now just open your Zookeeper folder. So before we start Zookeeper, we have to configure it in system variables. So go to your start menu, control panel, advanced system setting, environment variables, and in system variable just create a new variable, type zookeeper_home and give this path. Hit OK. Then go to system variable and find path, edit it and type %zookeeper_home %/bin. Hit OK. Now we have to go to our config folder. Rename this zoo sample to zoo. Double click it and open it in any text editor. I am using Notepad++. You can edit it in any other text editor like Notepad, Word. So open it on Notepad++. Okay. So here we have to change our data dir, data directory. Zookeeper uses this directory to keep the temporary files. Just point it to your Zookeeper folder. You can change your port also. By default, it will run on 2181. Save it. Open a command prompt and type zk server. Hit enter. And your Zookeeper is up and running at port 2181. Now we will go and configure Kafka. Go to Kafka folder, config, then edit the server.properties file. Inside this file, you can change your broker ID to identify your server brokers. If you have a cluster of 4 Kafka brokers running on different physical machines, you can change these IDs to identify each of them. Here we have to change the temporary path used by Kafka to keep the logs. We'll point it to our Kafka directory. So here we have logs.dir. I have changed it to my Kafka directory and Kafka-logs. You can give any name here. You can change your Zookeeper port if your Zookeeper is running on different physical machine or different port. You can also change your default Kafka port. By default, Kafka will run on port 9092. Now go to your Kafka root folder, open a command prompt here and type the command kafka-server-start.bat. It requires the config file path. So our config file is inside config folder, server.properties. Hit enter. Fine. Our Kafka is started. Now to test our Kafka server, we can start a producer and a consumer so that we'll push some messages to a queue and the same should be reflected on the consumer side that it got consumed. So first of all, we have to create a topic. To create a topic, go to your Kafka folder inside bin, inside Windows and open a command prompt and type the command kafka-topics.bat --create your Zookeeper address, your replication factor. If you have 4 Kafka servers running, you can make it 4 so that your data will not get lost if any of the machines is down. So we are giving our topic name test. Hit enter. So our topic got created. Now I'll start a producer to push messages to this topic. To start a producer, type command Kafka console producer You have to give your broker list. I have only one broker, and you have to give your topic name. So my producer is started now. Now again open the new command prompt on the same location and type the command Kafka console consumer and give your topic name. Fine. So we have a producer and a consumer. Now I am pushing messages from the producer console. Hi. And as you can see on the consumer side, we can see the message. So it means it's got consumed. My first Kafka message. Hit enter. And it is reflected on the consumer side. Same way, you can run some other commands to manage your Kafka or to get some other information, to delete a topic, to list all topics. Here I'll show you a couple of commands. So my first command is to list all topics which are connected to a zookeeper in one cluster. So here I have one topic, test, as we can see here. So now I'll show you one more command. This command is used to describe a topic. So if you enter this command with your topic name, it will give you details like what is the topic name, partition count, replication factor, and some other information like LSR, replicas, leader. Here leader is 0, means the leader of this topic is broker with ID 0. This broker ID is configurable inside your Kafka config server.properties file. Same way we have command to delete any topic. Give here your topic name. So my topic name is test. Hit enter. So we have started successfully our zookeeper and connected our Kafka to that zookeeper, and we are able to push messages and consume messages. And you can use this machine's IP to connect it from your code, Java code or Scala code. Thanks guys for watching my tutorial. I hope it will help you to create a cluster or to start zookeeper or Kafka on a Windows environment. If you have any questions, please comment below on the comment section.